What final adjustments on the Paxos Scope are needed before you get started? The adapter's lens holding arm can be extended, but we will leave it as short as possible, as the examination is usually easiest then. If not already done, remove the isolating foil from the batteries. Next, spin the wheel on the top to turn on and adjust the brightness of the light. The next step is very important. Make sure that the camera lens and the light source of the adapter are at the exact same height and as close as possible. For moving in the horizontal direction, gently use the screw at the bottom to change the position. Make sure to check the position frequently while examining a patient, as reduced image quality will be the result of malpositioning. Now start the default camera software on the smartphone and make sure that you are still seeing a little bit of the back piece on the left-hand side. Zoom in until the lens completely fills the image.